I'm Michelle. Today I have a Temu haul. Temu. I don't actually know the right way it's pronounced. I've heard it pronounced both ways. We're going to call it Temu because I'm me. I'll also link for you some of my favorite Temu haulers below, and we'll see if this is something I regularly get into. You have to let me know if this is something you'd like to see more often of. More of. I'll give you one Temu tip every video. Unfortunately, I'm recording on my phone, so I can't pull up the prices, so I will put them across the top or over here. I'll put the price somewhere. You'll be able to find it on the screen somewhere so you know what the original price is. And then I'll also put the price that I end up paying after the give me backs. On to the goodies. I got a lot of craft items. I've been wanting to try some macrame, and that's what this is. It's a little gnome macrame set. It comes with everything you need to make the little gnomes. This is a kind of a coarse yarn. I don't actually know what this material is. Because I've never done macrame before, but it's more coarse than a regular yarn. Come with rings and beads. I do believe it's wood, but it feels like a paper mache type of wood. This is in no way a thick, vibrant wood. This is a very weird compressed kind of wood. The instructions look pretty good because it's all pictures, and it came in this nice little box, and keep it handy until I'm ready to work on that one. I'm not working on any Christmas projects yet. Must be closer to Christmas to work on Christmas projects. The next thing I got were these beads. I thought this was a pin making set like Sue, my friend Sue makes, but they're just the beads. It came with some cute ribbon. It came with the jute and lots of little beads. This is a little snowman set. He's got buttons, and he's got, it's hard to show, a little cute snowman face, a little snowman. These are supposed to be his little scarves and whatnot. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with this because I thought it was pins. I can buy some of the little keychain things. They sell tons of those, so maybe I'll make them into keychains, give them to my friends. But regardless of what I make with them, those are super, super cute. What a great value for that. Maybe it wasn't a great value. Maybe it's not a great value because I didn't actually get the pins. You will get bags that are torn like this. So if you never ordered from Temu, don't expect it to come like an Amazon box. I am now officially a Temu affiliate, so I'm going to have my link below. It will also give you a coupon package. It'll have certain discounts. If you spend a certain amount, you'll be able to use that coupon. And in addition to that, whenever you use my links, I will get, a 2 cents back or something. Those links will take you directly to the product that you want to buy. It's fun. Buying from Temu is ridiculously fun. It goes beyond fun. It's addicting. I'm addicted. I have a problem. I have a very real problem. Maybe you should not buy from Temu. Or here, let me give you some of mine. First time's free. Little mouse sticker for the wall. I'm going to put this in my son. He's reading. Isn't it adorable? I'm making my son a little book nook in his room, and I'm going to put this in the little corner. It's going to be such a cute surprise for him. He's going to love it. That's adorable. I love it. Way cuter than I expected. I don't know what's in here. Let's find out. It's like Christmas morning for adults, because by the time it comes, you may have kind of forgotten what you got. They pressure you. And so you buy a few things that maybe you weren't planning to. And then by the time it comes, you don't even know what you bought. Oh, okay, cool. This is Sunpick photogram paper. You take these, in this case, butterflies, and you put them on the paper, and then you take the paper outside and you leave the butterflies on them, and then it makes a picture. That doesn't make sense. But if you will click on the link of this, you'll see exactly what I mean. It looked like a fun little craft to do with the kids. This would be a really good one for kids. And they gave me the butterflies. I hope that other things will work with it, not just the butterflies. And the reason it came sealed like this is because it works in the sun, and this is keeping it from doing its magical sun thing. I don't know how it works. Some kind of weird paper. See? I don't know. Never seen it before. Thought I'd give it a try. Like I said, I got a lot of crafts. Ooh, whatever this is, it came with screws. Wow, that's fancy. No idea what that is or what this is. No clue whatsoever what that means. Oh, it's a flower press. Oh, it's so tiny. I thought it was going to be big. It's only going to do one little flower at a time. It's not even thick. It's going to have to be a very tiny flower. I really thought I was getting a giant flower press. Why did I get this tiny one? That is something that is going to happen when you order from Temu. You don't have any idea what you're going to get. You got to tell me if you've done this exact thing, thinking it's going to be large and then it's miniature. That is a miniature flower press. I'm still going to use it. We're still going to try. Anybody know what this is? This is my current favorite craft right now. If you've never done a diamond art, they are super fun and relaxing. You can do them while you're watching TV. I like to listen to audiobooks. It comes with the the generic pin, tray, and glue thing. Once you get into diamond art, don't worry, you'll never need those again. This particular set is a beautiful, beautiful mirror. Oh, I can't take the paper off because of course that's sticky, but we can open the mirror and have a look, see? Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I cannot wait to do this. Let's look at the beads. Gold, this gorgeous, gorgeous pink, kind of a bronzy. Oh, these are delightful. Look at these. These are larger than normal. Kind of a teardrop there. This would be great if you wanted to do a homemade gift. I'm keeping that for myself. Jewelry. They have lots and lots of very inexpensive, cute jewelry. So far, I've loved all the jewelry I've gotten. Oh, this is so precious. It's a little leaf, but it's really, really cute. It looks really high quality. I'm impressed with that. Sometimes they impress me, and the jewelry usually impresses me. And here's another little ring. Oh, it's nice. It's too small for my fingers. I don't know what size ring I wear, so I just buy a bunch of different sizes and give what doesn't work to my daughter. Look how pretty that is. It's really, really pretty. And I'm gonna wear it together with the leaves. Not a bad idea, if I say so myself. Today's tip is going to be this. If you click on the picture and then click on this little button here at the top, that's the camera, it will scan it, and you can, if it doesn't scan the whole picture, you can adjust the settings. Then Temu will show you all the other products that are exactly like it, and then a whole lot that aren't exactly like it, that are similar. Then you can look through that list and find the one with the best price and add it to the cart. That's what I always, always do now that I've learned that little trick.